फिर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रही है।
जाना तो टाइम नहीं जा।
Good morning, ma'am.
Write down the date. Hurry up. Now see, both of them did not have courage to throw him again into the sea. Okay. So finally they decide to take this man, this prisoner, into their house. Up till here we had done. And even Hannah, she is very much worried about Sadao. Why? Because it would endanger all of them if they did not give this man over as a prisoner of war to the police, right? So they
Yes,
both
ma'am.
agreed. Okay, once he would be well, once he's cured, they decided that they are going to hand him over to the police. Thus agreed together, they lifted the man. He was very light, like a fowl that had been half starved for a long time until it is only feathers and skeleton. Now both of them agreed and they lifted the man. They took him into their house. But when they lifted, they found that he was very light, like a fowl. Fowl is a bird, you know, who has been starved for a long time. Starved, you got it? Suffered from hunger. Okay, who did not get food to eat. तो उस पक्षी की तरह था that had been starving since a long time and it was merely a skeleton. Okay, body कुछ नहीं थी, बस एक skeleton बची थी. इतना light weight वो हो गया था prisoner. So his arms hanging, they carried him up the steps and into the side door of the house. This door opened into a passage and down the passage they carried the man towards an empty bedroom. Now the door opens into a passage or passage mein le jaake they just take this man towards an empty bedroom. Now it had been the bedroom of Sadao's father. Clear, beta? It was the bedroom of Sadao's father and since his death it had not been used. Now they carried him into the bedroom of his father and what I said, father, he was a true Japanese, so everything in his room also had been in Japanese style. They laid the man on the deeply matted floor. Everything here had been Japanese to please the old man who would never in his own home sit on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. Now they just laid the man on the deeply matted floor. Floor, you got it? There wasn't any kind of bed or chairs. Why? Because in Japan and China, you know, people, that is the tradition, the customs to sit on the floor, similar as we have in India. Okay, if we sit on the chair and if we sleep on the bed, that is the foreign culture that we have adopted. ये तो तुम्हें मालूम है ना, हमारा भी क्या है, इंडिया में भी हमारा ट्रेडिशन, हमारे कस्टम शुरू से ऐसे रहे हैं कि नीचे बैठकर ही खाना खाया जाता है ना, पहले नीचे ही सोया जाता था. तो ये सब हमने क्या अडॉप्ट करा है बेटा, फॉरेन कल्चर और ट्रेडिशंस, हमने कई चीजें ऐसी अडॉप्ट कर ली हैं, फॉरेन हैबिट्स वगैरह. सिमिलरली डॉक्टर सदाओ के जो फादर थे, उनका रूम भी बिल्कुल जापानीज स्टाइल में था. यू माइट हैव सीन जापानीज, यू नो, when they have tea or their dinner or their lunch, you know, they just sit around a square table, but they sit on the floor. Floor पर बैठते हैं ना, तो ऐसा उनके रूम में भी था, बेड भी जो था बहुत अच्छी सी मैचिंग लगी हुई थी और वहीं पर बेड लगा हुआ था ऑन द फ्लोर. सो इवन ही वाज लेड ऑन द फ्लोर. अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Okay, fine. Then Hannah went to the wall cupboards and slid back a door and took out a soft quilt. Okay, Hannah जो है wall cupboards में जाती है, opens a door और एक soft quilt उसने निकाली. She hesitated. Why? Because the quilt was covered with flat silk and the lining was pure white silk. है ना? Quilt जो थी वो है ना बहुत अच्छी, बहुत beautiful quilt थी. Quilt is what? What is a quilt? What is a quilt? क्विल्ट होती है रजाई. नहीं, क्विल्ट कहते हैं रजाई को. Okay, we cover ourselves with the quilt during cold season or not? Blankets और quilts होती है ना? रजाई होती है ना कॉटन भरी हुई?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes,
उसको
ma'am.
कहते हैं quilt. Okay, so she took out a soft quilt, but the quilt, you know, it was made up of pure white silk. तो थोड़ा उसने hesitate भी करा. Why? Because the man, he was very dirty, है ना? And blood, it was also coming out. तो वो quilt खराब हो जाती है इस वजह से. He is so dirty, she murmured in distress. Okay, थोड़ी sad, disappointed हो गई और कहती, this man is so dirty, but anyhow, she has to cover him with the quilt. Yes, he had better be washed. Sadao कहता है, if you will fetch hot water, I will wash him. Okay, Sadao, he agrees. He says, fine, he had to be washed, but if you are going to bring hot water, I am going to wash him. I cannot bear for you to touch him, she said. We shall have to tell the servants he's here. I will tell Yumi now. She can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him. Okay. Now वो कहती है, I just cannot tolerate that. कि तुम touch करो, है ना? अपने husband को कहती है, you know, we are going to tell the servants about this prisoner of war and I'll ask Yumi. Now Yumi is the caretaker of the children. Okay, nanny है बच्चों की. तो कहती है, I am going to tell Yumi and she is going to leave the children for some time and she'll come and wash this prisoner. Sadao considered a moment. Sadao, he thought for a moment, let it be. So he agreed. You tell Yumi and I will tell the others. And he decides that, okay, fine, you go and tell Yumi about this man and also ask her to wash him and I'm going to tell other servants about this prisoner. But the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face moved him first to stoop. Stoop is to bend and feel his pearls. Okay. Now, utter pallor means extreme paleness was there on his face. Why? Because he was badly injured. Okay. बहुत वीक दिख रहा था, बहुत पेलनेस थी उसके चेहरे पर. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बुरी तरह से इंजर्ड हो चुका था. तो इस वजह से अनकॉन्शियस फेस, अनकॉन्शियस तो था ही, तो उसका फेस देखे, ओके, ही वाज जस्ट फोर्स्ड टू बेंड. ओके, और उसने उसकी पल्स चेक करी. इट वाज फेंट बट इट वाज देयर. ओके, बिल्कुल फेंट पल्स थी बट स्टिल इट वाज देयर. ही पुट हिज हैंड अगेंस्ट द मैन्स कोल्ड ब्रेस्ट. द हार्ट वाज येट अलाइव. है ना? और वो जो है उसके कोल्ड ब्रेस्ट को, उसके हार्ट को देखता है. इफ द हार्ट बीट इट वाज गोइंग ऑन और नॉट. He will die unless he's operated on, Sadao said, considering the question is whether he will not die anyway. Okay, now the Dr. Sadao, you know, he just thought for a moment and he says he has to be operated, otherwise he would surely die. Okay, anyhow, he has to be saved. Hannah cried out in fear. Okay, जैसे उसने कहा that he has to be saved, तो Hannah जो है डर से चीखती, कहती है, don't try to save him. What if he should live? Okay, कोशिश मत करो उसको सेव करने की, है ना? यदि जीवित भी रहेगा तो what would happen? What if he should die? Sadao replied. He stood gazing down on the motionless man. This man must have extraordinary vitality or he would have been dead by now. Okay, when he says what, है ना, what if he should live, तो कहता what if he should die, and he started just gazing, means looking continuously at this man, and he thought that this boy, you know, this prisoner of war, he had extraordinary vitality, he had extraordinary strength, you know. Why? Because he was gunshot and then he fell into the sea. Okay, and then he was tossed by the sea waves. He got hit by the rocks, and still he's alive. So it means he's having extraordinary strength. Otherwise, he would have been dead by now. And then he thinks that the other reason is also there, that perhaps he was very young. Okay, and perhaps कहता है शायद not even 25. Okay, too young he was. So young people, young children, you like you, okay, you and somewhat elder to you children, you know, you people have lot of strength and vitality. ठीक है, तो वो सोचता है कि हाँ शायद वो यंग है इसलिए भी उसने इतने डेंजर्स को फेस कर लिया. You mean die from the operation? Hana asked. Yes, Sadao said. Okay. Now Sadao, he had this thought that while operating, he'll do something, he would be somewhat careless and he would die. Maybe it might happen. Okay. And he clarifies it to Hana. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hana considered this doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
When she did not answer, Sadao turned away. At any rate, something must be done with him, he said, and first he must be washed. Okay. Now Hana was thinking all these things, and Sadao, he turns away and he says that any rate, okay, on any cost, okay, something has to be done, and first and foremost he must be washed. सबसे पहले इसको clean करना है. He went quickly out of the room and Hana came behind him. She did not wish to be left alone with the white man. अब वो अंदर जाता है और फिर वापस आता है, और Hana nahi chahti that she should be left alone with this prisoner. He was the first she had seen since she left America, and now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. Okay, now he was the first one जिसको Hana ने देखा था. After a long time since Hana, she left America, he was the first American they had seen. Okay, and now he doesn't have any connection with the Americans. Okay, even though she knew many of the Americans, but she did not have anything to do with them. So there was no contact between him and the American she knew, and he was the first one since a long time they had met or they had seen any American. Here he was an enemy, a menace, living or dead. But here, this American, you know, it was not a known person to them. Rather, he was their enemy, a menace. Menace बोला जाता है threat को. Okay, you can write down the meaning. Threat, maybe a living or a dead one. She turned to the nursery and called Yumi. Okay, and then she calls her nanny, जो थी बच्चों की, उसको बुलाती है. But the children heard her voice and she had to go in for a moment and smile at them and play with the baby boy, now nearly 3 months old. Okay. But when Hana, she calls the servant Yumi, the caretaker of the children, they heard the voice, they started, okay, calling the mother, and anyhow Hana had to go inside, pass a smile to them, love her children, play with the baby boy who was 3 months old. Over the baby's soft black hair, she motioned with her mouth, Yumi, come with me. Okay, now when she was having the baby boy in her arms, she just motion किसको कहते हैं, gestured, okay, इशारा करा उसको to come to her. I will put the baby to bed, Yumi replied. He's ready. Yumi says, let me make this child sleep. Why? Because he's about to sleep. So I'll just make him sleep and I'll just come then. She went with Yumi into the bedroom next to the nursery and stood with the boy in her arms while Yumi spread the sleeping quilts on the floor and laid the baby between them. Now she goes with Yumi to the bedroom that was next to the nursery, and she was having the boy in her arms, the baby boy in her arms. Yumi was making the bed and spreading the sleeping quilts and everything, and then she laid the baby between them. Then Hana led the way quickly and softly to the kitchen. The 2 servants were frightened at what the master had just told them. The old gardener, who was also a house servant, pulled a few hairs on his upper lip. Okay, and Hana then she led the way quickly and softly to the kitchen. She goes to the kitchen. Now 2 servants, they were already told by Dr. Sadao about the prisoner. Okay. And old gardener, you know, old gardener means he was a very old servant, and he had been living in the house since Sadao was a small child. So when the servants, you know, they become quite old, serving in a family, they become somewhat like a family member, and they just interrupt in the family matters and so on. So same happens here with the old gardener also. And see what he says to Hannah, what he suggests. The master ought not to heal the wound of this white man. Means he suggests Hannah that the master, you know, he should not heal the wounds of this man, this prisoner of war. The white man ought to die. First he was shot, then the sea caught him and wounded him with her rocks. Okay. And he says this white man, you know, he must die. Why? Because firstly he was shot by the gun, and then the sea caught him. Okay, the sea threw him, and then again he was wounded by the rock. If the master heals what the gun did and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us. And now see, this servant, you know, servants are quite superstitious, as illiterate people are quite superstitious. Okay, so a superstition was expressed by him that whatever the gun had done, whatever the sea and the rocks, okay, they had done, means they had tried to kill this man. Okay, even the Japanese rocks, even the Japanese sea, they don't want that this prisoner of war should live anymore. So whatever they have done, surely if you are going to save him, if Dr. Sadao will save him, they will take revenge on us. समझ में आया? वो हमसे बदला लेंगे. You got this thing, बेटा? बच्चों आया
Yes,
समझ?
ma'am.
है ना? वो जो सर्वेंट,
Yes,
हाँ,
yes,
सर्वेंट
ma'am.
सुपरस्टिशियस होता है, अंधविश्वासी. ओके, तो सर्वेंट ने कहा कि भाई ये कोई नहीं चाहता, जैपनीज कोई चाहते ही नहीं है अमेरिकन को, है ना, और अमेरिकन प्रिजनर मिल जाए तो श्योरली दे वुड किल हिम. तो गन ने उसको मारने की कोशिश करी, सी ने करी, रॉक्स ने करी. तो यदि हम उसको बचाएंगे तो ये सब सी रॉक्स वगैरह हमसे क्या लेंगे? बदला लेंगे. I will tell him what you say, Hannah. बड़ी courteous, okay, well mannered थी, बहुत well mannered manner में उन्होंने reply करा. Hannah ने उन्होंने कहा okay, I'm going to tell Sadao what you mean. But she herself was also frightened, although she was not superstitious as the old man was. Okay, even she didn't want that this man should be saved. Why? She was not superstitious, beta. वो अंधविश्वासी नहीं थी, but she was scared as this man was the enemy. Could it ever be well to help an enemy? और क्या ये कभी अच्छा हो सकता है to help an enemy? No, it could never. Nevertheless, she told Yumi to fetch the hot water and bring it to the room where the white man was. है ना? तो भी उसने यूमी को बोला कि जाओ hot water लेकर आओ and bring it to the room जहाँ पर white man है. She went ahead and slid back the partition. Sada was not yet there. Okay, she goes there, opens the partition. Sada was not there. Yumi, following, put down her wooden bucket, and then she went over to the white man. Now Yumi, she brings the bucket of hot water there, put down the bucket in the white man's room. She goes and sees the white man, and her expression changes, you know, full of stubbornness, full of disliking and hatred. When she saw him, her thick lips folded themselves into stubbornness. I have never washed a white man, she said, and I will not wash so dirty a one. और जैसे उस white man को देखते एकदम lips उसके twist हो जाते हैं, okay, expressions change हो जाता है. Why? एक तो the man was very dirty, दूसरा वो American prisoner of war था, Japanese, you know, they are dead enemies of Americans. तो वो कहती है, you know, I have never washed a white man, और declare कर देती है कि I am not going to wash this man. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Enough,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
It's time 10:30. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You know, sometimes it happens.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm quite late to begin the class. This is because of the network problem हो जाती है, तो है ना, tolerance रखना, ठीक है? Be patient.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't panic, घबराना
Okay.
नहीं, करना नहीं. Sure?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. God bless
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you.